MTD are at the home of Telbrook, SMW-AUTOBLOK. The sun is shining. It's an absolutely glorious day. I'm all PPE'd up. And UK manufacturing is picking up. And what a place to visit. We're going to go inside and look at their manufacturing facility, look at what they're making, and also look at some of their work holding solutions. So we are now in the manufacturing facility. They've got an array of machinery in this fantastic facility, including 3-axis machine tools, lathes, 5th-axis machine tools, you name it, they've got it. They practice what they preach here. We have an SMW 750mm chuck with an 110mm through bore to manufacture some of the ring work that they do. They make components, or fixtures shall I say, for all industries, including the aerospace industry, oil and gas, you name it, they do it. So now we're moving on to one of their latest investments, the Mazak Vari-Axis i1050T. This is a full simultaneous 5th-axis machine with turning capability, and it's an absolute beast. And it really lends itself to some of the work that they do here at Telbrook. They can do all of the turning, but all of the milling features too. The capacity, as you can see, is excessive. And again, they're using one of the SMW chucks to make the parts. So we have a cell of 3-axis machine tools here. They're all busy running. There's 5 of the 3-axis machine tools here in total, and we have a beast here, the VTC 830 SLR. Now this is another 5th-axis machine tool, but a completely different configuration to the Vari-Axis. And again, this really illustrates the capabilities that they've got here at Telbrook. So now we've looked at some of the manufacturing capabilities at this fantastic manufacturing facility, let's take a look at some of the fixtures that they actually manufacture. I'm going to start with this beautiful tail support unit, which is actually hydraulically operated to accommodate for the bed. So the bed could potentially be automated and taken on and off with 0-point repeatability. And look at the work that goes into this. They also make quite simple fixtures. This is a little fixture to accommodate for a casting. And as we know, when you're trying to hold an irregular shaped part such as this, it can be quite problematic. So these, again, another solution that they can offer. Whilst we were in the manufacturing facility, we looked at a couple of the SMW chucks. Now, here they've used one of their standard SMW chucks, but they've put special top fixturing on there. Now, these special jaws have got hardened grippers in here, and by the looks of it, it's actually doing 2 operations. It's actually holding a part with Op 1 with the hardened grippers. Then it's also looks like you can hold the second operation within this fixture. Now, this is really impressive, the diaphragm fixture. Now, I've heard that it's around 500 hours in work to manufacture this, and you can understand why. In my opinion, this is a piece of art. And again, this is to hold ring work for some of the leading aerospace companies, and not just hold ring work, but hold it with and machine it without distorting it. So it's been an absolute privilege today to look at the manufacturing facility and all of its capabilities. It's also been a pleasure to look at some of the special fixtures and jigs that they manufacture. But you may not be aware, they also offer a massive array of standard products, which they incorporate on some occasions with the specials, but you can also buy them as a standalone product, such as the 0-point pallet system that's here in front of me. You know, with automation being such a big thing at the minute, you know, automation is no longer a nicety, it's an absolute necessity. And what better way to automate than to palletize your machine with a 0-point system such as this. It doesn't end there. You can incorporate the 0-point into columns for your horizontal machines. You've got an array of vices, standard vices, hydraulic vices, with lots of different drawer options to meet all of your applications, which we'll be looking at soon in a future MTD CNC Technical Corner with SMW-AUTOBLOK Talbrook.